What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're going to do a 5-island tour originating out of Split, Croatia. We're going to go do the Blue Cave, and we're going to check out the island of Hvar, among other islands. So let's go ahead and get started here. What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're doing a 5-island tour. So we're doing some island hopping. One of these boats, I believe it's this one here, the 5 islands. They've got the submarine. Yeah, Blue Cave tour.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. Okay. Top. And we're off. There. All right. Sea Dream Yacht Club, port city of Hvar. Okay, so we've made it here to the port city of Hvar. They said be back at 11 and don't be late. Pakleni Island. See, I don't know which ones we're going to, but basically have an hour and a half here. Very good, very good. It's 9:36 in the morning, and we're early. Big castle up there. I have yet to do a proper breakfast. I might actually get started on something like that. Let's see. Blue and green cave tour. It took about 2 hours to get here, to be honest. So let's see what's up with the proper breakfast. Very good. Hopefully they got a proper breakfast. Mimosa and water. I'm starting breakfast just like that. My breakfast showed up. All right, so after a nice breakfast, we are back out exploring Hvar here. Man, might actually be worth it to get a hotel over here. They do have high-speed ferries. I noticed there was some watercraft that were whizzing by us really quickly, so I'd imagine it is faster to get here by a high-speed ferry than the tour boat we took. Gotta be careful walking on this polished stone here when it's wet, because it's so polished, so much foot traffic. All right, so we're actually walking to the other side now. You can see we got some great water. Look at that color. Look at that. Got a pebble beach there, and you can hear them cicadas. Cicadas are a chatty group, aren't they? Looks like you can get in the water here. Actually might need to do that, but I don't have underwater camera, unfortunately. Well, I managed to get in there and get a dip. I was in for about 5 minutes and cooled off. I have a little bit of sinus congestion, so I would say that it's good to do a saline, saltwater flush if you can. So I dip my whole head under the water. Be careful walking around in these shoes though. There's no traction. They say sunbeds 100 kN. It's Croatian 100, so that's around like $5 for a sunbed right there. Here is a look at the island of Hvar. You can see this is actually where we came in. It's Hvar Port. There's Starigrad, Hvargrad. But here's the whole island. You can see it's really big. They like to go out to these islands. They say there's better beaches over there. All right, one island down. 4 more to go, I believe. I think it's 5 islands, yeah. Let's see this guy do that. Ooh. Pulling up to another island. It's actually only 7 minutes away by boat, so it's pretty close. They say it's a party island. Look at that blue water. Everybody ready?
Make it 12:30.
Ah, thank you. Yep, that gives us about, I don't know, an hour and 20 minutes here. I'm definitely doing sun protection today. Carpe Diem Beach. Oh, they say it's a party island. They have water taxis from the island of Hvar to here. Like I said, it takes about 10 minutes tops, but maybe even faster, like 5 if you're on a speedboat.
Coke Zero.
Thank you. Tequila double shot, Coke Zero. Don't mind if I do. Okay, now we head back to the boat. Proud to be rare. This is kind of a cool place. More than kinda, it is a cool place. Well, this was stop number 2, and I would say stop number 2 is pretty awesome. So stop number 1. Here's our boat. There's the water taxis over there. Out again. I don't know how long this next trek will be, but I'm probably going to get some lunch wherever we're going. So hopefully it's a town or a city or something. I doubt it'll be a city. Well, now we're arriving at our next destination. It's a swimming place. This is Steneva Bay, but I can't go over there because I don't have waterproof. I already swam over there, but I don't have any footage to show you. This is the bay. Don't mind that shark. Alright, actual blue cave. So this is the island where the blue cave is. Way out here. We are way out in the Adriatic, actually. Probably like 3 hours from Split. Unless we like hightail it back. Alright, so we were just informed that it's a 1 hour wait. So we can swim here, get some food, go to the toilet. This might not be an island that you'd want to get stuck on or left behind. Oh yeah. All this for a blue cave. So after about an hour and 20 minutes of waiting, we are now getting on the boat. So it must be worth it if people wait that long. The blue cave. Okay. Yep. Got it. Hello.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
Oh, that's mine.
Just sit a little bit forward because.
Oh, a little bit forward. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Got it.
Oh, too much weight inside. This is the entrance of the cave. As you can see, it turns, then you can sit back up. Okay?
Okay. I would say that was worth it, but we're back. We're gonna get on that boat and head home. Okay, well, we're just now getting here at 8:40 p.m. We left at 7:30, so it was almost it's a 13-hour tour.